Alright, so we have right using rational exponents, and the expression we have is the fourth root of x to the 6th, z to the 7th. So remember what a rational exponent is it combines a power and a root together. So what we can do here is we can take the inner part here, the x to the 6th, z to the 7th, and keep it like it is for a moment, and change the fourth root to the 1/4 power. So that 1/4 power means the fourth root. So since I put that up there as an exponent on the whole thing, I can use power to a power and make this x to the 6/4, 6 times 1/4, and z to the 7/4, 7 times 1/4. And I can do one more thing. I can reduce this power on x. So x to the 6/4, that would be the same thing as x to the 3/2, and then z to the 7/4. And nothing can be reduced anymore. And it's all in terms of exponents, and you don't see the root explicitly. Thank you.